When you are diving into the world of Amazon selling, picking the right tools can make all the difference. Jungle Scout is a helpful tool for Amazon sellers, but with different versions suited for different adventures. If you are scratching your head wondering which Jungle Scout plan should I get, then you are in the right place. This video is all about helping you pick the plan that's going to fit your needs. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. Let's start by talking about what Jungle Scout is. Jungle Scout is a tool designed to assist sellers on Amazon. It provides various features such as product research, competitor analysis, and business management tools. Essentially, it acts as a guide to help navigate through Amazon's extensive marketplace, enabling users to uncover profitable opportunities while avoiding potential pitfalls. Now on to the plans. Jungle Scout offers three main plans: basic, suite, and professional. Each plan is designed with different types of sellers in mind, from those just starting to seasoned pros managing a team. The basic plan serves as the initial gateway into Jungle Scout, obtainable at $49 per month or $349 for a yearly subscription. This option is particularly suited for individuals who are new to the realm of selling on Amazon, equipping them with fundamental tools for conducting product research and validating ideas. With this plan, users can fully utilize Jungle Scout's browser extension, granting them direct access to product data on Amazon's platform. Moreover, they have access to valuable tools such as the Product Tracker and Keyword Scout, albeit with certain limitations. Additionally, the plan offers access to training tutorials, acting as a valuable resource for newbies embarking on their journey in Amazon selling. The basic plan serves as a foundation for newcomers, providing them with essential resources to navigate the complexities of selling on Amazon effectively. Stepping up to the suite plan is akin to upgrading one's exploration gear, priced at $69 per month or $589 annually, geared towards those ready to delve deeper into the intricacies of Amazon selling. This plan offers a comprehensive array of features. In addition to everything included in the basic plan, users gain access to more extensive exploration capabilities, additional user access, and extended historical data. The suite plan unlocks advanced features like the Opportunity Finder and enhanced seller tools, empowering users to gain deeper insights and faster growth in their Amazon business. Positioned as a suitable middle ground, it caters to sellers keen on expansion but not yet operating on a large scale. The suite plan offers a robust set of tools and features, providing users with the resources necessary to take their Amazon selling endeavors to the next level. For the leaders of the Amazon selling domain, the professional plan stands as the top of service, available at $129 per month or $999 annually, customized for ambitious sellers with a team. This plan offers up to 6 user licenses, facilitating seamless collaboration among team members. It provides the most comprehensive access to historical data and tools, including priority onboarding, ensuring a swift start for users. If your aim is long-term commitment with a dedicated team, the professional plan offers abundant resources and flexibility for sustained growth in your Amazon business. This plan is ideal for individuals who are serious about scaling their operations and maximizing their success on the Amazon platform. So how do you decide which plan is for you? If you are just starting out and learning the ropes, the basic plan is a great place to start. It's affordable and gives you the essential tools to begin your Amazon journey. As you start to get comfortable and look to grow your business, the suite plan offers more features that will be crucial for finding and managing new products. Experienced sellers with a team should look at the professional plan. It's more than just additional users. It's about getting the most detailed and historical data available. This can be a game changer when you are trying to outsmart the competition and spot trends before they become obvious to anyone else. No matter which plan you choose, you will still have access to Jungle Scout's main features. These features include the browser extension, which allows you to check out product details on Amazon, and AccuSales, which estimates sales. Additionally, you will receive tools to monitor product performance over time and to discover the best keywords for your listings. Furthermore, Jungle Scout is compatible with various global marketplaces on Amazon, ensuring support no matter where you sell. So regardless of your plan choice, you will have all the necessary tools to excel in your Amazon selling journey. For those leaning towards the suite or professional plans, you are looking at additional perks. Beyond the basics, these plans give you access to more sophisticated tools for managing your business. This includes AI assists for review analysis, listing builders, and profit overview, which can save you a lot of time and help you make smarter decisions. You will get features like Rank Tracker, which helps you see how your products stack up against the competition, and Inventory Manager, which helps you keep the right amount of stock on hand. Choosing the professional plan also means you get priority onboarding, more historical data to inform your decisions, and more users to spread the workload. This can be invaluable for larger operations looking to streamline their processes and grow quickly. Finally, let's talk about refunds and support. If you are hesitant about committing to Jungle Scout, don't worry. They stand behind their product so strongly that they offer a refund within 7 days of signing up. No question asked. Moreover, their support team is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. Whether you are seeking advice on using the software or need guidance on your Amazon business, they are ready to provide the support you need whenever you need it. So which Jungle Scout plan should you get? It really comes down to where you are in your Amazon selling journey and where you want to go. If you are just starting out, the basic plan is a great way to get your bearings. As you grow and need more from your tools, the Suite plan offers a great balance of features and costs. And for those running a larger operation or looking to scale quickly, the Professional plan provides the comprehensive tools and data you need to stay ahead. Whichever path you choose, remember that Jungle Scout is more than just software. It's a compass that guides you through the Amazon jungle, helping you find success on your own terms. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.